Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to make these beautiful crochet buttons. They look like a flower. We can call them as crochet flower buttons. They are really beautiful. You can use these as buttons for your crochet cardigans, crochet skirts, vests, tops, anything your creations that requires a button. You can use this. You can also ornament your bags, your hats, your blankets, anything you can imagine. You can also make wall hanging ornaments like this. You can put them side by side, and you can connect them with a rope, with a chain. You can make beautiful crochet ornaments. For example, for Christmas, you can make these buttons in Christmas colors, and you can make a beautiful crochet Christmas decoration. Anything you can imagine, you can use these buttons. The pattern is also very easy. Before this video, I shared you this kind of buttons. They are also beautiful. I will share the video tutorials also, these on the right side. This link you can also find. This is also a different, you can see. They are both beautiful. Okay, dear friends, let's go on how to make this. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and if you like this video, please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos in order to support me for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much, dears. Let's go on how to make this. For these crochet buttons, we need cotton yarn. I will use this time this purple color. This is 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. You can also use full cotton, full acrylic, no matter. And I am using 2.5 millimeters hook. We need a darning needle to fix the yarn end. We also need a scissors to cut the yarn. That's all what we need, dear friends. We are starting by wrapping some yarn around my hook, at the back side of the hook. But if the back side of the hook is thin, like, then you can wrap it around the pencil, no matter. But this time this is okay for me. Okay, I'm fixing the yarn like this. Firstly, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 one moment 10 times we are wrapping. After that, we are taking this rope from the hook carefully like this. I am also keeping the yarn in order not to spoil the shape. Later on, I am immediately fixing my yarn through the yarn end, through the yarn like this. Then I am making yarn over. I will make pull through like this and making one chain. Okay, we fix the yarn. From now on, we will always insert our hook through this small space, and we are going to make single stitches. We are going to make totally 12 single stitches, dear friends. I am inserting my hook through the space, yarn over, pull through. This is single stitch 1. I'm doing the same thing. This is single stitch 2, going on. This is single stitch 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this is 12 single stitch. One moment. Once again, I'm going to make the 12th one, inserting my hook through the space, making a single stitch. The first round is finished. I am cutting this last yarn end. Okay, now I am going to fix the yarn. One moment, let me show you like this. I am inserting my hook at top of the first single stitch, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch. The first round is finished like this. Now we are going to make the second round. I am making one chain, and then I will go on making single stitches. This time I am going to make 14 single stitch, inserting my hook again in the same space, yarn over, one moment, pull through. I am keeping the loop a bit loose like this. We are not making the loop tight, we are making the loop like this. Yes, this is single stitch 1. Yes, I am making this loop, as you see. This is single stitch 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and one moment, 14. Yes, we came to the end of the second round as well. It's been like this. Now I am inserting my hook at top of the first single stitch, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch. Now the second row is completely finished now, making one chain. This time we are going to make the border of the button, this button. For this reason, we are going to make single stitches, but we are not going to make single stitches like this from right to left. We are not doing this. We are going to make the opposite, from left to right, I mean the back side. We call this as a reverse single stitch. How we are going to make this? I am going back like this, making a single stitch. Each time we are going back stitch by stitch, going to the following stitch in the back, making a single stitch, going to the following stitch in the back, making another single stitch. Don't make the stitches tight, make them just a bit loose. I am going to the following stitch here, this stitch, making a single stitch in there. Always one stitch back we are going, and we are making a single stitches, and like this we are making the border of the button. If we do this, our button looks like a flower. Each time I am doing the same thing. That's all, dear friends. Okay, till the end I am going to do the same thing. As you see how it looks more beautiful like this. Each time one stitch, I'm going back and making a single stitch. I am nearly at the end of this row as well. Okay, there is only one stitch left, inserting my hook and making a single stitch, making one chain. Okay, it is finished. I am going to cut, but I need some rope in order to fix the yarn end. I will hide this yarn end and I will give a neatly shape in the back side to this button. For this reason I'm going to use the yarn end. Okay, this is the front side. I'm turning to the back side like this. I'm showing all the details very clearly because I am thinking the new beginners, maybe some of you are really very beginner, don't know anything about crocheting, so I am trying to help everybody at each level of crocheting. For this reason I'm showing slowly and very detailed. Okay, a few times I am doing this. Okay, this is the back side, don't forget. And I am cutting the yarn end. Okay, this is the back side, it's cleaned, and this is the front side. As you see, it is really beautiful, dear friends. Yes, dear friends, we came to the end of another project video. Hope you like these beautiful crochet buttons. I really love them. I can use these in many occasions for ornamenting my crochet creations. They look like also a flower like this. I can also use these as buttons at my crochet creations. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials. Please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and if you like this video, please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos in order to support me for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much, dears. See you in the coming videos.